Good morning, my dear students. You can get the whole syllabus from our channel. Means for the academic year 2020-21, you can get the whole syllabus. Today, our chapter is triangle, and the topic is theorem 6.3. It is if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. For this purpose, we have to take two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So we have to write, given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the corresponding angles are equal. It is given. Means angle A equal to angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This one, A and D are equal, B and E are equal, and C and F are equal. We have to prove that then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. So we need to prove that AB by corresponding sides, AB by DE equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. AB by DE equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. For this purpose, we need some construction. Once again, see the statement. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, so we have written, given that in triangle ABC and DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B and angle E are equal, angle C and angle F are equal. We need to prove that then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means we need to prove that AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF, and hence these two triangles are similar. So for this purpose, we need to do some construction, that is cot DP, AB and DP are equal, and AC and DQ, and join PQ. We have to take the length of AB and cot DP, and we have to take the length of AC and cot DQ. Let's write this. Cot DP is equal to AB, and DQ is equal to AC, and join PQ. So prove it. Now compare triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. We have taken the length of AB and DP are equal. This one AC and DQ are equal, and angle A and angle D are equal. Let's write this much. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equal to DP, angle A is equal to angle D, and AC equal to DQ. This implies that by SAS criteria of congruence of triangle, we can write triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. If two triangles are congruent, then their all angles are equal and also all sides are equals. So by taking the criteria of congruent part of corresponding part of congruent triangle, we can write angle B and angle P are equal. So angle B and angle P. This implies that angle B equal to angle P. We can write corresponding part of congruent triangles, and given that angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. So P is equal to B is equal to P and B is also equal to E. So we can write angle P equal to angle E. So angle P and angle E must be equal. These two are corresponding angles because here are two lines PQ and EF and PE is transversal. These two are both are corresponding angle. This implies that then if a pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. So we can write PQ is parallel to EF. If PQ is parallel to EF, then we can write that from theorem 6.1. PQ is parallel to EF, so we can write dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. By adding one of both sides, we can get dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF. So let's write this directly. So dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF. Okay, replacing dP by AB, because we have drawn that dP and AB are equal. So replacing dP by AB, we can get AP by DE is equal to, we can also replace DQ by AC by DF. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, if we have drawn a line on ED such that BA and ED are equal, and also BC and BA and E to something here is equal and E to something here is equal, and a line joining this one, then we can get AB by DE equal to BC by EF in the same process. So we can write similarly we can prove that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Once again, let me explain this. We have taken AB and DP are equal, AC and DQ are equal, and we join PQ, so we get that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. On the other hand, if we have drawn another line that BA and EX is equal and BC and EY is equal, and we have joined XY, then we can get AB by DE equal to BC by EF in the same process. So we can write this similarly. We can prove that AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Let it be equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. We have proved that AB by DE, BC by EF and AC by DF are equal, and the corresponding angles are equal. It is given. So let's write this, and corresponding angles are equal, this implies that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is proved. So we need two criteria to prove two figures similar, that is corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in same ratio. We have proved here corresponding sides are in same ratio and corresponding angles are equal, it is given. So triangle ABC and DEF are similar. So we have proved this taking DE is greater than AB. If DE is less than AB, then also the proof will be similar. And if AB and DE are equal, then the two triangles will be congruent and hence it will be similar. Next, if AB is greater than DE, then also the proof will be similar. AB is greater than DE or DE is less than AB, both are same thing. So my dear student, we have proved this theorem. I hope it will be very easy for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.